intuition? Are you born with it, gifted with it, or can you actually develop your intuition? I find that there's always two camps when it comes to intuition. Those who believe that you are born with it, that it is a gift given to you. Others believe that you can create, you can strengthen, you can tap into your intuition. Now, before we start on, I would love to hear about your thoughts in the comments. Which camp are you in? Are you born with it or can you develop it? Let's actually dive into this deeper because it is fascinating, everything to do with your intuition. Now, your intuition is actually both. Yes, you are born an intuitive being, and yes, you can harvest it, strengthen it, utilize it, and trust it, but you just need to learn how. So, I am starting this beautiful intuition series that you want to be a part of. We're going to investigate and dive deeper into actually what intuition actually is. The three major things that are blocking you from stepping into your intuition and the greatest myths around intuition. It is vast amounts of perspectives of intuition. So who am I to talk to you about this? Well, I was one of those people who thought, no, I am not an intuitive person. I have not one stitch of intuition within me. And for the last 15 years, I have been an international intuitive, psychic, and medium. And those are all very different things. And in another video, we're going to explore the difference between intuition and being psychic because they're two very different, vastly different things. So go ahead and subscribe because in the next video, we're going to actually explore what your intuition is, how you actually tap into it, and what are the beautiful things that it can bring into your life. So join me. Let's begin.